this chapter, we will go over drill and tap setup in OmniWin. When creating a part that has a drill hole, under Drawing, select the drop-down under Point and go to Drilling Point. In the Properties window, you will have the drill properties. The first icon is Mark. This will simply etch a spot on your part using the drill. The second is Blind Hole. This allows you to drill holes that do not penetrate through the material, and lets you select the depth for that drill. The third is Drill Hole. This allows the drill to penetrate through the material completely. The fourth is Bore Hole. Bore Hole involves cutting a circular hole with a diameter slightly smaller than the size of the bore hole using a cutting process like plasma or laser. After cutting the hole, the bore hole feature is used to bore the hole into its intended size using the selected drill bit. For each of these features, you can select the size of the drill bit from the list. For blind hole and drill hole, you can also choose to countersink and add threads or tap the hole. After selecting the drill bit type you want to use, select the spot on your part that you want the drill point. After placing the drill point, you can always select it and alter the properties at any time. An alternative way to create a drill point is to select the point tool under Drawing. Place the point on your part. Select that point, and then apply Drill in the Properties window. Then apply Drill properties as described in the first part of this video. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service. 262-532-4689.